Alright, so here what we're going to do is go into Manage Account Media. And this time, instead of doing it inside the tablet, I'm actually going to hit where it says Manage Account on lyricsriverplus.com. And basically, it's already has the account information in there as far as the name of the account and the password. So you can pull up, whatever browser you want to pull up. Let's, for the sake of it, we'll use Firefox for the moment. So hit just once. And here we have actually what is in the account. So if you see a song that says MP3, it's an MP3. If it's just a text, the text files are the lyrics files. So if you wanted to, you could, for instance, say you needed to download the just these to the advice, the lyrics here. You can hit download, and that'll download to whatever your download folder is for your Android. Then you can just take that and just paste it or move it into the Lyrics Flipper music folder that's on your device. And you can also edit the lyrics actually inside on the web itself, which is great because I like to just do this on my computer and not really use my tablet for it. And then when you're done, basically, hit save, and it saves it, and then you can download it to all your devices if you have this on more than one device. We also have the auto turns in here, so I showed you earlier with the auto turns, so you can see, like if I go to this one, crazy, you can see the number is 56.5, comma 105. That's basically saying the seconds of which that turns. So you can see those, you can change them if you want. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel. And if you're wondering why this is so big, well, because we're actually accessing this for a tablet, it actually makes sense to have them big, so it makes it easier to press. So the other thing, too, that's really nice about this is you can upload all your MP3s at one time using the enable batch file upload. And also, if you have the Windows one, you can sync, and it works really well with the small files like the auto-turn files and the text files. And it'll basically, whatever you have on your computer, you can tell it, it'll look for it and say, hey, we don't have this online, and it'll go ahead and upload it, and vice versa. If you don't have stuff on the computer and you have it online, it'll ask you if you want to put it on your computer. So it's a way to kind of keep everything updated. Download a package of the data in this account. This one is really good for the computer. If you go ahead and hit this one, basically if I'm on my Windows PC, basically I hit it and it sends down a zip package of everything that's on there, and then I just take the contents and basically paste it over or copy it over to where all that stuff is supposed to be. And there'll be more on that. I think Jalen's already made something about that, and if not, he will, I'm sure, or I will. So, that's just a little bit about, how everything works online. Alright. Okay, another cool little feature is that you can get lyrics and stuff from some websites that exist. The easiest way to do it, really, is get on your computer and you can copy them from anywhere and just paste them into the lyrics box. But I'll show you in this case, we will go to Manage Account on lyricsriverplus.com, and I'm going to pull up Firefox again. Not that I don't like Chrome. I'm going to go to Create Standalone Lyrics. So we'll name the lyrics, let's just call it Lyrics. I really don't know what song I'm going to get yet. You know what? Maybe I'll get Wonderwall. I just remembered that I actually have a Wonderwall already on here, so we'll call that Wonderwall 2. Alright, and then we have import lyrics from letsingit.com or ultimateguitar.com. Jalen went ahead and figured out how to put these on here. So if I hit Ultimate Guitar, something will happen. Not exactly sure what will happen. Oh, there we go. I guess it's because I'm upstairs. away from the router. And what I'm going to do is search their website, which is now kind of pasted over the Lyrics Flipper website for Wonderwall. Hit done. And okay, so we're going to go ahead and take Wonderwall version 2, click on it. Oh, and there it is. When it came up, it actually says import to LF+. So when I go ahead and hit that, and again, you know, could you have got on your computer and copied it? Sure, but on a tablet sometimes it works a little bit better. And now you see that the information, the chords, and the lyrics are in there. So, and I don't want that part in there, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete that part out right now. Delete that out of there. And again, you know, using the computer is probably the better way to go for this, and that's why being able to access it from the computer and not just from the app is nice. So there we go. Let's if I want to, I can kind of think about where I want my page turns to go, and I can go ahead and program those now by putting that little sign in there. So for instance, here we have, I'll just go where it says verse 2. I'll go ahead and pop one of those symbols in there. That would be this symbol right there. Basically makes a page turn. And we'll put one in here where it says course. I'll put a page turn there. I won't do them all right now, but and go ahead and hit save on it. Now what I'm going to do is it's called Wonderwall 2. Wonderwall 2. I'm going to go ahead and hit download, so I don't need that to actually open it. What's happening here, it actually right here downloaded to the device, and I forgot that I stopped that already. So basically it's I'm going to go into my download folder in my applications or my file manager. I keep saying application manager. My file manager, look in the download folder. And here we have wonderwall2.txt. I'm going to go ahead and take that and just move it over to my Lyrics for Mobile and hit move. And so now, when I go into my Lyrics Flipper, hit start playback, and Wonderwall 2. Oh, can't go this way. Is in my start playback. I'm going to go ahead and hit it. Message comes down. And just to show you, there we go. There's the first page that I made. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the button. The next page. The next page. And again, you know, I didn't really set these for real. Okay, so that's enough of that. So that was making something online, importing it in off of the Ultimate Guitar website.